with my gang. We popping off the big skank. Get hopping off of my lane. I know these bars I got are insane. Cause I'm fucking the track. I attack like a Mac when I rat-a-tat-tat and I leave your brain splat. Y'all can't react, I'ma smoke me a pack and just sit back, relax. Cause I'm bringing it back. Been back at it, on this music like a bad habit. I abuse it like a crack at it. I swoop the beat and take a crack at it. I'm back at it, I'm back at it. These damn pagans, they can't have it. I'm spitting truth like a cold passer. A soul rapper for these old bastards. Fake rappers lack talent. Hollow tip like a black talent. I don't play games like backgammon. I'll slap a bitch backhanded. Fake rappers lack talent. Hollow tip like a black talent. I don't play games like backgammon. I'll slap a bitch backhanded. Back at it, I'm back at it. Sometimes I spit this sporadic. Sometimes I spit it so slow, but sometimes faster. Double time master, it's a disaster when I get plastered and talk to your girl like Mr. Bombastic. High mathematic like Mr. Fantastic. Got tricks up my sleeve like Mr. Go Gadget. Said I'm there for the kill, no need to chill. I grind until I got fans screaming, yo, come to Brazil. Or I got a pool house up on the hill, and I got my girl who really know how I feel. Yo, what's the deal? I know I will. My life like taking a limitless pill. Fake rappers lack talent. Hollow tip like a black talent. I don't play games like backgammon. I'll slap a bitch backhanded. Fake rappers lack talent. Hollow tip like a black talent. I don't play games like backgammon. I'll slap a bitch backhanded. Fake rappers lack talent. Hollow tip like a black talent. I don't play games like backgammon. I'll slap a bitch backhanded. Fake rappers lack talent. Hollow tip like a black talent. I don't play games like backgammon. I'll slap a bitch backhanded.